took the weight of the world on your shoulders. Yet those you served turned their backs and handed you over to soldiers. Even though all you did was love and spoke the truth to the masses, they couldn't see, didn't understand, saw the world through their sin-stained glasses. You healed them, you fed them, brought the dead back to the living. You taught them, never fought them, still at death you were forgiving. They screamed, let trumpets sound, let the beatings begin, let the people see him suffer. Let the blood rain down from the piercing crown until no words left to offer. Let the trumpets sound, let the beatings begin, let the people see him suffer. Let the blood rain down from the piercing crown until no words left to offer. Little did they know, they didn't realize until the ground felt like thunder. How could it be now that they see the sky black and temples under? They thought they sealed your fate, they tried to